good people. I'll dip out the city one time. So, I know you haven't heard from me in a minute, but it's because I've been working a lot, been staying focused, and of course, I gotta get back on YouTube, and I'm about to give you guys some content today. So we're actually going outside the city, Medellin today. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going yet, but it is a beach town. So write in the comments right now where you think we're going, and you'll find out. So go ahead, hit the like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more content, you know what I'm saying? About to hit the airport. I'm on the way right now. Got a special guest, as always. I'm not gonna reveal that either yet. I'll give you guys some views on the way to the airport, and then you'll be able to find out where we're going. Stay tuned. Leaving the city, just pulled up to the tunnel. Cab's got bread. You have to pay to play. So guys, on the way to the airport, you do have to go through this massive tunnel as you leave the city. As you can see, there's Medellin there. Going over the mountain to Rio Negro. Catch y'all at the port. What's good, YouTube? I'm at the airport just chilling. Got a special guest. Being shy on camera. But I'm at JC's. It's a popular restaurant in Colombia. Waiting on the plane. Our plane just got here, so we're about to board in a minute. And then you'll be able to find out where we're going. Feel me? Better stay tuned. It's a beach destination in Colombia. So right where you think I'm going right now in the comments. Write it down in the comments where you think we're going. I'm sorry if it's loud in here. You know how Colombia is. People be loud. But yeah, I'll check back with you in a sec. About to get on this flight. Young Lena in this bitch. Land on our plane. It's right here. Ella es muy mala conmigo. Simple. Okay. Check these guys out. That's the restaurant, man. JC. But yeah, we're about to dip up out of here. Got everything situated. Ready to rock. Yo. What's good, YouTube? Just arrived. Guess where we're at? Good old Santa Marta. This is the room. That's your favorite person in the world. Aww. And yeah, it's a really classy room. Really nice. We're already messing it up, but comes with a nice view. And look at that sunset. It's almost over. But this is the beautiful sunset in Santa Marta. You got the coast going down all the way over there. And yeah, we got here around like 4 or 5, so we're just gonna eat dinner and chill tonight. But man, these people, they got a lucky view. It looks like those are houses. Where I'm at is a hotel, but they got some nice houses over there too, so. All right. Super nice baño. Just wash my hands in here, that's it, but super nice. Nice shower. Everything. So yeah, we're about to go grab some food. We'll be back. These wood ottomans, crazy. For a Marriott, this is not too bad. They designed it well. It even has a second bathroom with a ladder for some reason. as if I'm about to climb up out of here. So yeah, never seen a hotel with 2 bathrooms for a 1 bedroom, but I'll take it. And of course, a spectacular view. Can't wait to wake up here on Christmas. All right, let's do it. Vamos. Lista? Dale. All right, guys. We're probably about to just get some food, and I'll check back with you. What's up, gang? So at the restaurant right now. I got a long line to get in. The spot is called Oso. It's right in the center plaza. And we just got these fish croquettes. This is straight fish on the inside, and like fish and mango, I think. It's so good. You guys should definitely try this spot out. But yeah, about to enjoy this meal.
Si no me hubiera pasado lo que me pasó, de seguro que mi mundo fuera.
What up, YouTube? She's enjoying her pina colada. Of course, I got a margarita. I can't say no to a good margarita, guys. I'm in Santa Marta right now. Just got here today. All we did was check into the hotel. And yeah, man, just been chilling. Christmas is tomorrow, man. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Merry Christmas to everybody that watched my channel. Yeah, man, it's gonna be for me. I haven't left this country all year, so I decided to get out and go to the beach for Christmas, man. It's my 1 vacation this year. A second. Even though when we went to the jungle, I wouldn't call that a vacation. This is more like a vacation. But yeah, guys, just gonna finish these drinks and then go back to our hotel and rest up for tomorrow for Christmas. Got breakfast early, and then we're probably just here hanging out on the beach all day. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, and check back with me. Peace. I'm gonna give you a little bit of the streets out here too, just so you know what to expect in Santa Marta. Gotcha. The street dogs. This is like a big strip in Santa Marta with tons of bars and restaurants and cool stuff. You know, you got people walking by, good music being played. This is a good time all together. Alright, so when we get walking, I'll show you a little bit more. Stay tuned. What's up? What's up? You know what that means? You know what that means, guys. No salt. She's a soldier. Colombian soldier, paisa. And she giving me bad looks right now, guys. Cut it.